Okay, everyone, I did promise a few of you that I would try to do some review videos before tomorrow's quiz. So hopefully you'll take a look at these. It'll definitely help you on the quiz tomorrow. So when we learn circle properties, guys, we've learned two of them. And this, hopefully, you'll recognize. See how the segment sticks out here? Outside the circle over here? This is rule number 2, as I like to refer to it, right? The second property we learned. So we're going to use outside times the whole. Okay? And let's make it work. Do you agree the outside piece is 6? I'm going to times that by the whole segment. The whole segment is not 15. It's 15 plus 6, which is 21. Make sure you understand where I got the 21 from. Now the other segment, notice the outside piece is 7. And timesing it by the whole segment, it's not 2x minus 11. It's 2x minus 11 plus the 7 on the outside. So the outside plus the inside makes the whole segment, right? And we could do a little simplifying here. So that's 2x minus 4. And now we're ready to solve. So I know when I take 6 times 21 here, I get 126. When I do 7 times 2x, that's 14x. Using the distributive property here, 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. All I have to do now is add 28 to both sides. At least start out with, right? So 14x will equal 154. That means when I divide by 14, x is going to equal 11. Now don't forget to plug it in. So once I put 11 in there, 2 times 11, 22, minus that 11 is 11 itself. Now, the question does ask for EF, but on my quiz, you could be asked EF in this case, which of course is 11, but you also could have been asked EG. How would I find EG? I would take 11, that's EF, plus the 7. That together makes EG, which is the whole segment, right? So EG would be 11 plus 7, or 18. So be aware you're going to be asked one or the other. Segments or parts of a segment. All right, pause the video if you need to. Want to do one more example. This would be property 2. Notice how the segments stay inside the circle. They don't go outside, because if they stick outside, then we're going to do outside times whole. But since they're inside, this, hopefully you agree, is the easier property. This was the first one we learned. I'm going to match up the 16, or 6 times the 14. Those are my blue segment parts, right? They're going to equal the red segment parts times together. So I have a 7 times a negative 8 plus 2x. Here, of course, I got 84. Here, I got to do my distributive property, negative 56 plus 14x. I now have to add 56 to start out solving it. So 140 equals 14x. That means x must be 10. Don't forget to plug it in. 2 times 10, 20 minus 8 is 12. Now, let's discuss this again. They could either ask for UF, which of course we would now say is 12 since we just figured that out. Or they could ask for US. Now, US would be UF, which is 12, plus the FS piece, right? FS with the UF together makes US. So I'm going to add 7 with that and get 19. The bottom line, guys, is make sure you answer the question. Don't forget to plug in the X value you figured out. Besides, that's a good way to always double check to make sure you did it right. Okay, so this covers a quick review of property 1, property 2 of circles. This coming week, we will learn a few more properties of circles. And hopefully, you'll watch this again if you need to. Take good notes. I'll see you in class.